Alright, we get into it. Chainsaw Man. A lot of people are talking about this anime. A lot of hype behind this anime, though. Hopefully, people's expectations are not crazy like that, where it might be a bad episode. People are gonna be like, "Oh, it's not good," which I think is not gonna be the case because the animation looks crazy good. It looks like they took their time on this. The opening, the ending, fire though. So I'm thinking that it's gonna be fire as well. The whole show. So yeah, man, I'm excited. So let's get to it. Bro, look at this animation though. It looks insanely good though. Wow. I am so impressed already. I'm impressed already. No one's said anything yet. I word nothing. I haven't seen anyone yet. It's already dope. It was Rimin when he was a kid, right?
仕事行くか。
Oh, that sounds so cute. Like, I like his shoes though. They look comfortable.
キーキって月収6万だろ。この間売った腎臓が120万。
The fuck?
右目が30万。
Do you not need your organs?
いくらで売れたっけ
But what? What?
10万もしなかったっ
What?
け
Are you that desperate for money?
残りの借金が3804万円。
To who?
悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。
Huh.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Well, you should be paying more, no? But what is that though? A living tomato devil? A tomato devil?
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。
Tomato devil.
種から
So he was
復活するんで
that.
焼いといてください。
よくやったデンジ。報酬は40万だ。
おざっす。
そっから
Should pay him more.
引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料。
God damn.
調整費。その他もろも
You
ろ。
only get like 20,000?
残りが7万。
Damn.
この7万
Bro, what are these
水道
fees
代を
though?
払っ
God
て
damn.
他のとこにしてる借金
I'm out here putting my life on the line. These all I get? Damn.
家に食いもんねえし、今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。
Why don't you do more work though?
落ちた。今日の飯食パン
So why does he owe money though? What he do? What he be getting into?
なんで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。
What does he owe you?
あいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
悪魔を飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが
But
務め
then
るん
it's
ですか
interest
ね
upon interest upon interest upon interest. This fool is gonna work his whole life for them. The fuck?
おい、犬！このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
Oh, that's crazy.
あ
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
That's crazy. Wait, so at this point he's not a chainsaw yet? He's using the dog, right?
これで3日は食えるね。
Oh, the dog is so cute.
この間聞いたんだ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどね。
So the ending was pretty much this though,
まで
huh?
借金回収終わる気し
It's like a recap of the episode, right? For sure.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
That's your wish. Okay, fool. What was this?
分も払わねえうちに首吊りやがって。
Oh, this is it, huh? It's that. It's Pops.
体売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Probably couldn't even mourn his dad properly though. Now he has this debt to pay. Oh, this is how he found him.
俺を殺すなら殺せよ。どうせ死
So then the dog is the chainsaw devil? Oh.
お前も死ぬのか。
What happened to him?
カメ、悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないならカメ。
For sure, for sure, for sure.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。
Huh.
やっぱ俺も死にたくねえ。
Oh. Wait, so how does he become a chainsaw man then, though? Because we already bit him, though, but I guess he doesn't have the powers, though.
俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
Bro, how long he's been working for him, though? How old is he now?
一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
He probably didn't even go to school, huh?
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
Damn, man. Damn. Bro, this is crazy right now. Damn, I feel so bad for him.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？見当たらないっすけど。どっか隠れたんすかね？あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
So they don't really feel the devils, though? They don't, like, sense them?
デンジよ。俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
Oh, they're trying to steal a dog?
で
It's
も
a setup,
俺
man.
は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Oh, damn.
俺たちヤクザもよ。もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
Oh, he is a devil. Oh!
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
Or is he possessed by the one?
望むのはデビルハンターの死だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんなそいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。くそ。
Oh, damn. 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 Oh, my God. It's getting 0 to 100 real quick. Oh, my God.
出口は
Damn, but he got both of them at the same time, though. No, 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 no. Oh, my God. Was that Jason? He had a mask? Oh, no, he didn't have a mask. God, that. Oh.
ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
Bro, this is crazy. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Wow. Oh, so he used to do this, though.
そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。
But doesn't he need blood, though, to survive? That's probably why he stay like this.
ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
So this is how he survived this,
普
huh?
通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。
Oh, but he's so cute, though, I swear. That dog is so cute. Oh. So did he take over, huh? Wait, but what's gonna happen to him? To the dog?
俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
Yeah.
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
This fool's talking now?
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
どうした？
What?
ポチタ。
Oh, I see. So it's him now. Oh.
どういうこと？
But how could he regenerate though? If before he couldn't regenerate by himself though, when he found them.
ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。
But that's just humans, bro.
そうか。
We all do.
夢見ちまうんだな。
Yep.
邪魔すんなら。
Oh, the first information. Oh.
死ね！
Oh, I guess not. Oh, the engine. Oh, the engine. Oh, the engine. Oh my God. Wow. Look at the details though. Yeah. Wow. Oh, it's over for you. You're not taking that shit no more, huh? You're not taking that shit no more. Oh my God. This is so brutal. I love it. Bro, I love how his saw is out of his form though. It's kind of like the character from Mortal Kombat. Baraka or something like that, but the fool has blades and shit. Oh my God, this is so brutal. Bro, but what kind of design is that zombie devil though? Damn, it looks weird as fuck. I don't think you have enough bodies though. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. So what's gonna happen to them now?
悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。
Oh my God. Wow. Yeah. Not no more. Your debt has been paid, my guy. That was crazy. That was fucking crazy. This is the trailer, huh? The trailer scene, right? When they walk into it. They find the bodies. Yeah, for sure. Oh, he's still there.
君、変わった匂いがするね。
Oh, it doesn't smell like a devil. It's a hybrid though.
これ、君がやったの？
だかす。
Damn, he just melts the chainsaw away?
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は？
Yes.
ないね。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
Huh. So this is how he gets recruited, huh?
悪魔として私に殺されるか、
Huh.
人として私に飼われるか。飼うなら、ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
That sounds like a deal to him, though. Sounds like a plan.
朝飯はどんなの？
Bread and jelly?
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
最高じゃないっすか。
Is that all he's gonna get? Just breakfast? He's not gonna get paid for this? I mean, you should pay him for this, though. Heavily, though. Man, my man got skills, though. He had skills before the powers, and now he has more skills. Damn. Damn, this is crazy, though. This is insane. But I think, though, right here, too, I guess what I could gather real quick from this episode is that him, right, his arc in this episode, right, where the zombie devil, it kinds of, how can I say it? It's what his life was up until this point, right? Because zombie devil says that the zombies, right, they wanted power, whatever, so they were doing as they're told, right? And him, he was, when he said that, oh, you're like a dog and you do as you're told, right? So he ends that chapter with this, though, by him taking out the zombie devil. ends that chapter as to that he's going to do as he's told, right? But now it seems that it's still not quite there yet, because it seems like it's gonna still follow that path where he's still gonna well, be working for her and doing as she tells him to do, because now he's gonna be fed, right? And that's what he was worried about this whole time, right? Where he didn't have enough money for food, and now he gonna have food. He probably not gonna get paid, but he gonna get food, and there's gonna be a girl in this as well. So that sounds like, I mean, what else? Like, sounds good for him though. Like, what else is better though? You know what I mean? Because this is what he was saying. Like, bro, at least before I die, let me get something, right? But now he has a girl here, and he's gonna be fed, so it's good enough for him though. But yeah, I think that was the thing though, with him being like just following these fool's orders to the zombie devil stuff. I think that would be my assessment so far, but probably wrong, because I'm always wrong about these things though. But yeah, man, the animation looks incredible though. Bro, the scenes, bro. If it's like this, just the opening though, I cannot imagine. I cannot even think about how much more gory, how much more crazy, how much more violent and cruel and horrific it's gonna get though. And I love it though. I wanna see all of it. Though. I'm for sure gonna stick with this until I know, whenever, to the end. I'm gonna see all of it. Though. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys think about this episode though? This was better than I thought it would be though, because oftentimes when shows have so much hype, they don't really live up to the expectation. But this one seems that it's gonna live up to it and go beyond it though, for sure. But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and yeah, see you guys on next Tuesday. Yeah.